Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get OneDrive for PC. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's look at how to get OneDrive for PC. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the settings icon. At the top right corner, right next to this diamond like icon, you will see a button like this that is called as settings. Simply click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Right here is options, upgrade, and the thing we are looking for, get the OneDrive apps. Click on it right now. Do note that if you have Windows 11, OneDrive is already installed on your PC, else if you are using something else, simply hit on download. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the file is being downloaded. Simply install the file and log in with your credentials. And guys, that's it. That's how you get OneDrive for your PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.